Guys, here comes what I now call the Three Foreigners train, which is B816 with an Ex-Citirail, a Norfolk Southern, and a Canadian Pacific. I got my friend Xavier Robinson with me. And what's your name?
Sean.
And another guy, Sean, here, and my boy Kevin.
I've been waiting 4 hours for this train. Come on.
So have I. This is something to be so excited over.
I've been unintentionally waiting 4 hours for this.
Exactly. Exactly, though.
I hear it.
So do I.
I swear to God, this is normal CSX and
It's CSX leading. There's the Citirail. And there's the CP. And there's the NS. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Guys, the legendary Three Foreigners B816 ethanol train. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.